Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series all about Wix Forms. Today, we are going to learn how to customize your form's design to match your site's theme. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to your form and click on it. Then click on Settings. On this small window, go to the Design tab. And here, you'll have the option to edit your form background, form fields, header and paragraph, as well as buttons. So we're going to go ahead and customize it. And once you're done working on it, you can now close this window and then click on Save to save your changes. If your site's previously been published, you're going to need to click on Publish again in order for the changes to take effect on your live site as well. And that's it, guys. That's how you customize the design of your form. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.